हेलो दोस्तों, मैं रवि कुमार स्वागत करता हूँ आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल मूनलाइट क्लासेस पे। दोस्तों, आज हम अ, सर कैलाश चंद्र की एडवांस फिजियोग्राफी की ज्वाइनिंग की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं अपनी वीडियो। हमारा पहला वर्ड होगा प्राइम मिनिस्टर। तो देखो दोस्तों, ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, इसकी आउटलाइन है ये वाली। प्राइम मिनिस्टर, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स और सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर्स, चीफ मिनिस्टर्स, रेलवे मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, फूड मिनिस्टर, एज द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, बाय द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, 5 ईयर प्लान, फर्स्ट 5 ईयर प्लान, सेकंड 5 ईयर प्लान, सेकंड 5 ईयर प्लान, 8 5 ईयर प्लान, during the plan period, honorable house, in the house, of the house, in this house, both houses, from the side of the house, in the other house, by the other house, when the house, for the house, told the house, inform the house. I would like to assure the house, before the house, to take the house, on the floor of the house, on the floor of this house, on the table of the house, members of the house, honorable members of the house, honorable members, as the honorable member, as uh, to the honorable member, by the honorable member, honorable speaker, as the house is aware or necessary, it is necessary that it was necessary, it may be necessary, absolutely necessary, it is absolutely necessary, that the very necessary, more necessary, if necessary, wherever necessary, consider necessary, all the more necessary, it would be necessary, it is therefore necessary, will become necessary, deems necessary, to the fact that the, of the fact that the, and the fact that the, due to the fact that the, from the fact that the, in view of the fact that the, in spite of the fact that the, despite of fact that the, because of the fact that the, could have been, which had been, which had not, which do not, which have been, who have been, you are aware that the, I am told that the, whether there is, where there is, that is to say, from the beginning, in the beginning, at the beginning, we will be able to, what about the, so far as the, in so far as the, is concerned, are concerned, were concerned, came to the conclusion, came to the come to the conclusion, comes to the conclusion, for the purpose of, for purposes of, for what, for that purpose, for this purpose can be done. I am afraid too much, so much, as to how many, how far, as to how far, as to why, as to what, as to when, as to whether, as to where, I can have, must have, not be, in a manner, in the manner, in the manner in which, in such a manner, report of the, part of the, on the part of the, I would like to say that the, I would submit, I would suggest, I would request, I beg to submit, I beg to support, suggest, I beg to request, I would like to submit, I would like to suggest, I would to request, I should like, I should like to request, I should like to say that the, we should like, we would have been, we should be able to, in regard to, with regard to the, as regards the, in this regard, having regard to the, it is a matter of gratification, and so on, and so forth, and so on, and so forth. If there is, it is difficult, If he were, I believed that we have not. In reply to the in reply to the one of the most important, I do not think that in any way I can say that if that is so. To begin with, living standard of living, standard of life, cost of living. In order that, in order to, on the one hand, on the other hand, in the shape of, in the form of, will be also, will also be. Next page. May also be. It will also. Has also been. Has also to be. It has also been. Have also been. Had also been. Is also. There is also. Are also. Should also. Was also. Were also. They have also. We are also. In addition to this, much more important than, most important, most important things, most important matter from the point of the view, immediate attention, prompt attention, more attention, my attention, your attention. I draw the attention of the, I would like to draw the attention of the, to draw the attention of the, drawing the attention of the, in many ways, at the time of the, at the time, at times, at that time, could not, I could not, we have had, by and large, to an extent, to the extent, to some extent, to a certain extent, to a great extent, to a very great extent, to such on extent, to a large extent, to that extent, to this extent, to the extent possible. I do not mean to say I did not have. It is bound to be. There is no provision. There should have been cooperative societies, cooperative banks, has said the non-officials. Large numbers in these measures to look into the matter. For example, in the first place, rural areas, urban areas, with a view to, apart from this, what has been done. Differences of opinion, who has been, which has been all over the country, all over the world, by my honorable friend, honorable mover. They might be able to, in connection with, I will not be, I would not, should be taken, should not be taken, will be taken, will have to be taken, was taken, were taken in the year, during the year. It may have been. I am very sorry. I am very grateful. I am very happy on behalf of the, in this behalf, advisory board, railway board, civil services, government services, government servants, minority community. In other words, in view of the anti-social Indo-Pakistan, to consider the, come to the end, come to an end, socio-economic, social and economics and social, United States of America, United States, US, USA, United Kingdom, if I may say so, on the whole, as a whole, as well, in the countryside, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, schedule costs and tribes, backward classes, per capita, national income as quickly as possible, laid down more or less few days ago, they would be, that would be, in the world, in this world, it is obvious that it appears that the is likely to be, are likely to be, for my part, it is true that in some other way or some other way, if possible, it is possible that it is quite possible, it is not possible, it will be possible, it will not be possible, it would be possible, it would not be possible, it may be possible, it may not be possible, it has been possible, as far as possible, so far as possible, as soon as possible, as early as possible, if it is possible, to the extent possible, great importance, until and unless and until। दोस्तों इन वर्ड की आप बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो और ये आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाले हैं। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।